My man's got a mullet. How many of us are seeing mullets coming through? It's a big style right now, isn't it? It's happening. I really like the mullets. I think they're super cool, but there are certain things that I prefer to my aesthetic, and that's the thing. Everybody here, I'm not teaching you the way to cut hair. There is no way to cut hair. This is how I cut hair. If you like it, steal it. There is no right or wrong way, okay? So at the end, once you have the fundamentals, once you have the basics, you've gone through school, you've gotten your hours, you know how to make shape in hair, that's when you get to bring in your artistry. How many people believe that we're artists? A lot? Okay, that's cool. I disagree. If you can be taught it, it's not art. You can be taught the basics. This is a craft. I am a craftsman. I believe in this craft. Once you have the understanding of the craft, then you can put your artistry into it. I can't be taught how to draw. Either you know or you don't. That's artistry. And that's what sets you apart. That's your voice in the industry. If you're in school right now, understand that it's very, very cool. You have your friends, you have your camaraderie, but when you step out of school, your friend now is competing for your money. So what's going to set you apart from you? What is going to change why someone would sit in your chair as opposed to the person next to you? That's where your artistry comes in. That's where your voice comes in, and that's where your signature comes in. I work with a guy on our team named Pat Regan. He says he takes about 15 minutes to do a haircut and about an hour to detail it. That's one of the coolest things I've ever heard. Anybody can slap on a clipper, run it up the side of the head, and call it a haircut. What you do past that, what you add to it, your signature and your style, is what creates your voice in this industry. Everybody needs their voice. And right now there's a lot on the internet that are telling you how to speak, how to look, how to think, how to dress. We have to be able to step back from that and find out who we are independent of all that. Does that make sense? Cool.